What's up, guys? We're back with another video. My friend's on Discord. The last video, his audio was not that good. So, he's in the game right now, and I'm in the game as well. So let's hit play. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. Okay, we only got 15 minutes, so, let's do this. Set map. What map do you want to do? Chapter 1, because why not? And then let's do player, and let's let it be random. What is it? I'm gonna move it so they can see it. Okay. I don't know. I should have really prepared the camera. Oh god. The video's just gonna be moving like crazy. No, let's just do player. We might only be able to do one round because of the 15-minute limit. I wanted RTG rival. Wait, do you have 2 times chance? I have. What a waste of Robux. What? Oh no. Wait, if you glitch out of the round, oh god. I'm still gonna play this round. Okay, I am absolutely trash at this game, so I didn't even open green key yet, and I'm going down. Nothing. What a waste of time. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I can see that. Wow. I was like, I really shouldn't. Hello? Wait. No. No. Should I just oof or no? No, I need some help on this map. I need some help, so, oh god. I have to do something real quick. I gotta see what's going on. Remember, guys, at 50 subscribers, I'm doing a face reveal. Now let's do an easier map. And then let's just do bot. We didn't even do 5 minutes yet, so we should just be able to play this one round, then we might have to stop the recording. I mean, I might have to stop it. Because after this round, it's basically... Should I quit Mr. P? Actually? Did he disconnect from the Discord? I am not sure. Oh, great. Joe? Ooh, yeah. Is he there? Did he disconnect from Discord? Oh, okay. Why do I feel like I have camera inverted on? Wait, I have camera inverted on. What is wrong with me? Wait, I don't? So this thing. I can't hear, I'm gonna put the game audio up. Hopefully that's the effect. Wow. Nope. I thought you disconnected. Yeah, I couldn't hear you. Okay, hopefully we get to finish this round. There's 8 minutes left and we're 5 minutes into recording, so, we should be able to finish this round. Hopefully we get to escape this round. Next video we are gonna do Piggy 100 players with just me and him, or maybe RTG rival. Yeah, you already got a VIP server. I got the boom booms. I got boom booms. And she's got a spear. Wow. And then grandmother has a bat. Wow. Boom boom. Boom boom must win. Wow. Oh. Wait, you're down the shore right now, right? Nice. I just got back from down the shore. That's why I wasn't recording for like a day or something. Oh no. Hey Ellie, you don't have to do this. I have some chicken nuggets. We can talk about this. Okay, I am muting the game audio because that was loud. Either no, it's only on like 2 volume. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it right there. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, we probably can't finish the round. Yeah, let's still try at least. Dude. Next video, you already know what we're doing, guys. Yeah, we're doing Distorted Memories, whatever that means. I keep moving the camera. The video's just gonna be camera. Okay, I gotta mute the game audio because of copyright. Yeah, make sure you have your game audio muted because I don't want it coming through the Discord. Oh god. I want to listen to the music so bad, but I don't want to take that risk. Mr. P. Yeah, let's just play Plan again. Mr. P. Mr. P. Mr. P. First of all, shout out to RTG Rival to showing me this recording program. Shout out to him. Oh, fine. We might not be able to finish this round, but I memorized this map pretty well, so we might. I beat this in less than 10 minutes before, which. Okay. I just realized the round was 10 minutes. We only got 5 minutes to beat this. So get any battery. Oh, he almost just died. Whoa. Shiny red apple. Are you dead? I got shiny red apple for little George. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to beat this. In the next video, I got 3 ideas. Piggy build mode. Distorted memory chapter. Distorted memory things. or I'm just gonna play the plant level by myself. So I might just do the video tomorrow by myself, but if I do Deserted Memory or build mode, you could be in it. But if I do the plant alone, oh, can't see anything. Silord Panda. Oh god, I don't want to get stabbed by his lightsaber. But he's a panda. I don't know, I don't even know what he is. Should I do a glitch? I don't know. I have a lot of ideas for the next video tomorrow. I don't think he is. He's Silord. He's Silord Panda. Okay, I'm gonna try and finish this, but I'm glitching into plank safe. I don't know what's so special about that plank, but it must be very special. One of the last gifts Mrs. P gave to Mr. P. It must be that special. Okay, guys, sorry if you don't like glitching the viewers, but I'm doing it. Silord Panda. If I die, the video ends. I should do a video like that. If I die, the video ends. I'm speed running. I got 4 minutes left. I could do this. I got 4 minutes left on the recording. I could do this. I can do this. Okay, now I have 3 minutes. I am scared. Okay. Guys, if you want to hear the music, I cannot play it. But we're gonna be about to blow up Mr. P and Silord Panda. We're about to do that right now. Blow him up. I want to play the music so bad. Why is that a thing? Like, in TV shows, they're allowed to play, like, songs, and it doesn't get copyrighted, but in YouTube videos, it gets copyright. Wait, I didn't use the coin! No! No! Okay, guys, I gotta end the video here, because there's no way we're gonna beat any map in 3 minutes. So, see you in the next video. Remember, 50 subs is gonna be a face reveal. Bye, guys.